Hi, welcome to IPROG Tech Tutorials. This tutorial is about the demonstration of the new feature in Expense Tracker web application. So if you are ready, let's get started. Okay, so we have a new suggestion in our registered user, which is Giselle Presto. So she wants to have a grouping mechanism when creating a new expense. So it's like you just want to divide it by categories, and I make that happen. So now I'm going to show you this feature. Okay, so first thing, again here, account. Okay, so the new feature is going to the form of the new expense. So I'll create now. So here is the new feature. So now you can select category if the expense is belongs to the utilities, housing, food, transportation, insurance, debt, leisure, and so on. And also there's a subcategory. So when you click any of these, like for example utilities, then subcategory will populate its children. So it's subcategories of under the utilities. So there's the electricity and gas, water, internet, and phone. So on housing, it will be rent or mortgage, repairs, insurance, and food. So groceries. So yeah, so it depends. Subcategories is changing dynamically depending on the category. Okay, so I'll try one. I will add a new expense. So it will be fuel, car fuel, car fuel. Then amount 1,000. That will be transportation, and then and this will be on the fuel and repairs. So on this way we can now categorize this expense. So just create expense, and here you go. Thank you for watching, and if you want to add new suggestion too, just click the link here below and you are redirected to the new suggestion form page. Just put your title, then suggestion message, and click the create suggestion button.